the span change out near the Bayview Yard in Baltimore, Maryland. And what we're doing is changing out the pin truss that you see behind me with a through girder new span.
So this project has been in the planning phase for several years. However, we initially broke ground in the summer of 2015. We've been prepping for the past several months, building the bridge off-site and getting ready to roll it in.
The existing pin truss was built in 1885, so it's about 130 years old now. It's been modified numerous times over the last 130 years in order to keep it in service, but we've pretty much done all we can with it, and it's time to change it out.
The old structure spans over both Amtrak and Norfolk Southern, so we had to coordinate with both railroads to make sure that when we do the rollout, that safety is number one. Making sure that no Amtrak passenger trains are going to be passing during the rollout, making sure the safety of all the contractors and people involved are taken number one, that everybody's in a place of safety.
Safety really begins before the contractor is hired during the bid phase. It's very important for me as a project manager to relay to the contractors my expectations for safety on the job site, and then help them to understand that they're not going to win the job unless their own safety culture closely aligns with ours.
The bridge changeout itself started with a transverse roll of the new bridge. During that time, the track panels on the existing bridge were simultaneously being taken off. Once those track panels were removed, the new bridge was being longitudinally rolled into the existing diaphragm of the through truss girder.
So now that we have the new through girder rolled into the existing pin truss, the contractor will be working on hooking up a gantry system that works in conjunction with some winches that will actually pull the old pin truss off of the abutments and in line with the track, and then offline of the track to be disassembled. And at that point, the new span would then be lowered down onto the abutments and seated in its new bearings.
So the most interesting aspect to me would definitely be the engineering behind this bridge. Being able to roll a new bridge within the existing diaphragm of the old bridge and using that new bridge to remove the old is amazing to me, how we can utilize both structures in the same time frame to complete the project.